Arch Linux KDE versus XFCE. Which desktop environment is better? Choosing the right desktop environment can completely change how you experience Linux without sacrificing performance or usability. We'll look at KDE and XFCE, two popular choices with distinct advantages. KDE Plasma and XFCE are two leading desktop environments for Arch Linux. KDE offers a feature-rich, visually polished experience, while XFCE focuses on simplicity and lightweight performance. The core difference lies in their design philosophy. KDE prioritizes customization. XFCE prioritizes speed and minimal resource use. KDE Plasma is a modern desktop environment known for its sleek design and extensive customization options. It uses the Qt framework and provides a visually appealing interface with effects, animations, and widgets. KDE works by integrating a wide range of tools and applications that enhance productivity and user control. Its strengths include a highly configurable interface, built-in utilities like a file manager and system settings, and support for modern hardware. KDE also offers advanced features such as virtual desktops, activities, and a powerful notification system. However, these features come with high resource usage compared to lighter environments, which can impact performance on older or low-spec hardware. Ideal users are those who want a visually rich and flexible desktop with plenty of options to tailor their workflow, and who have a system capable of handling moderate resource demands. According to Arch Linux community documentation and KDE Plasma official sources, KDE balances power and aesthetics for users seeking a customizable experience. XFCE is a lightweight, fast, and stable desktop environment designed for simplicity and efficiency. Built on the GTK toolkit, XFCE offers a traditional desktop layout with essential features and minimal distractions. It works by focusing on core functionality without unnecessary visual effects, resulting in low CPU and memory usage. XFCE's strengths include quick startup times, responsiveness on older hardware, and a straightforward user interface that's easy to navigate. It supports basic customization, such as panel adjustments and themes, but lacks the extensive options found in KDE. Limitations include fewer built-in advanced features and a more utilitarian appearance. XFCE is ideal for users who prioritize speed and stability over flashy design, especially those running Arch Linux on less powerful machines or who prefer a clean, no-frills desktop. Arch Linux Wiki and XFCE official documentation highlight its reputation as a reliable environment for performance-focused users. Comparing KDE Plasma and XFCE on Arch Linux comes down to performance versus features. KDE excels in offering a rich, customizable experience suitable for users who want a modern, attractive desktop with many tools at their fingertips. However, it demands more system resources, which might slow down older machines. XFCE, on the other hand, shines in environments where speed and low resource consumption are critical. It delivers a stable and simple desktop that boots quickly and runs smoothly on limited hardware, but lacks the polish and advanced features of KDE. For daily productivity on a powerful system, KDE provides flexibility and aesthetics. For lightweight setups or minimal distractions, XFCE offers efficiency and reliability. The trade-off is between visual appeal and resource economy, making the choice dependent on the user's hardware and workflow priorities. Choose KDE Plasma if you want a modern, highly customizable desktop and your system can handle moderate resource use for enhanced productivity and visual appeal. XFCE is the better choice for users seeking a fast, stable, and lightweight desktop environment, especially on older or resource-constrained hardware. Both environments serve distinct needs, so pick the one that aligns best with your performance requirements and personal workflow on Arch Linux.